Okay, hello YouTube. So this is part 2 of the Aibo battery pack experiment, reselling experiment. So we were looking at the ERA-110B pack, and we removed the old batteries. So that's the management circuit on the top there. We've taken those out, these 4. So these are, the old ones are 2 pairs in series. So we've got effectively 3,000 milliamp hours. Each one of these cells is 1,500 milliamp hours. So you've got 3,000 milliamp hours at 7.2 volts, 7.4 volts. This is what we've done with the 2 LG cells from last time. So they are tabbed to make the job easier and safer. And we've soldered one end, and then the other end is soldered on to the 2 terminals that connect to the Aibo. Now, what's important to remember is with no battery management, battery monitoring circuit in this pack. And we'll come on to alternatives for that if you don't have a balanced charger. But I do have a balanced charger, so that's why I'm not too worried about there not being a circuit. Remember as well, these are polarity marked. Focus. Yep. So make sure that when you connect your batteries, you are soldering to get the right polarity. Okay, because otherwise your Aibo core is going to have a bad day. Now what's important about this pack is on the back. So on the back we have got a 3-pin JST connector. Okay, this is our balance connector, and it has 3 wires. So one wire goes to the output of the battery pack, which is the red wire is positive, so that's going to be 7 volts. The orange wire is the balance lead, and this goes between the 2 cells, so you can see it's soldered here on the back. That will read as 3.7 volts, and then your 3rd wire is ground. Okay, so what that allows us to do is it allows us to connect a balanced lead when we're charging this thing. Okay, and it's been rather inexpertly JB welded onto a hole that I've cut in the case. You can see that there. Yep. So that's that. What that allows us to do is it allows us to safely charge this pack. But obviously we can't charge it in the dog, and we can't charge it on the charging station. So the next question is going to be, how do we charge this thing? So the next little video is going to be about how we charge this thing, and I'll also show you options for the battery management circuit if you need one. Okay, so we'll talk about that in the next clip as well. So quick reminder from last time, choose your cells carefully. So LG, Samsung, Sony, those types of brands. Make sure you source them from a good supplier, Mouser, CPC, Farnell, dedicated battery company with some reputation, because there are a lot of fake batteries and probably quite dangerous batteries on the market, and we don't want that. And as we pointed out before, modern batteries have about double the capacity of the batteries that were in the packs 20 years ago. And so whilst you could put 4 in here and get 6,000 milliamp hours effectively of charge, given that with the 1 series Aibos, you probably don't want to be running them like that often, because you know, the plastics are degrading. The gears, as you probably know from the legs and the limbs, the gears are prone to fracturing. So it's not a daily driver Aibo, so I wouldn't worry about stuffing 4 batteries in here. And the other issue with these batteries as well is they are very slightly bigger than the cells from 1999-2000. So although this pack does close, it's a bit of a tight squeeze. And if you were to put 4 batteries in here, then you're going to be struggling. So what we'll do is next video we'll look at the charging option for this, and then that will wrap us up in terms of trying this out. And we'll try it out on an Aibo and see if it works.